In a land where culture enters one, the freedom is not just right, it's a cherished gift passed by through the generations. Sri Lanka, with its diverse vibrant of ethnicities, religions, and cultures, stand proud as a beacon of unity and peace. The story of freedom is long before the British colonial period. For centuries, Sri Lanka's kings and queens fought for the sovereignty of the country. The great King Piliyandala fought a bitter war against the order of Anuradha to unite the island. It was not only the territory but also the identity and the people created. Later, in the 12th century, King Vijayabahuma rose to defend the island from different invaders, particularly the Chola dynasty from South India. His victory marked the restoration of single sovereignty, a symbol of resistance that would resonate
for the century. Sri Lanka faced strong aggression from the Portuguese, Dutch and Hungarians. In 1555, British arrived seeking the control of trade routes and the resources of our island. For over a century, the resistance was fierce, but it persisted until the Dutch took over in 1658 and during the British in 1796 that Sri Lanka was under full colonial rules.
During their control, imposed oppressive laws and policies affecting every aspect of Sri Lankan life. But the resistance was not far behind. The rebellions of 1817 to 1818, where the singular kings, the latter kings fought back against the British forces. Vendors uprisings, which called for the protection of native rights. So Sri Lanka's freedom journey was long filled with brave struggles and unwavering defiance.
By the early 20th century, the cry for independence grew louder. In 1919, the Ceylon National Congress formed, paving the way for the freedom struggle that would soon ignite the island. We saw the emergence of leaders like Anagarika Dharmapala, who championed the cultural and religious renaissance, and Don Stephen Senanayake, who would later become the first Prime Minister advocating for self-rule.
The call of freedom intensified in 1948, where Sri Lanka gained final independence from the British. It was a peaceful transition, a testament for the strength of and resilience those who had fought for the decades to achieve this moment. Sri Lanka became a free nation, no longer under the rule of the British. Sri Lanka is not just a symbol of independence. It is a country with growth and innovation. Port City is a fine example of what Sri Lanka is capable of. It is an area with high-class hotels, shopping malls, and many more. This will be doesn't stop at Port City. Sri Lanka's new highways like Southern Expressway, Karnataka Expressway have been transformed the way we travel, reducing time and boosting connectivity. Smart cities are beginning to emerge where technology is seamlessly integrated into everyday life, creating a better environment.
In tourism, Sri Lanka is a significant destination with a blend of tropical resorts, ecotourism, and cultural heritage. The East Coast Highway, new airports, and marine developments are setting the stage for a bright future, offering great accessibility to the public.
The divine artistry of our religious constructions is a unique story of Sri Lanka, where Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, and Islam touch sides. The grand temples, mosques, churches, and temples cathedrals are not only architectural marvels, but also testimony to our unity in diversity. Beautiful techniques that build an appropriate these sacred spaces with cultural richness that the world admired and continues to honor. On this Independence Day, we stand united. Our 9 provinces, each of its own history, identity, come together as one. The flag that flutters in the breeze is not just a piece of cloth. It's a symbol of resilience, patriotism, and the
The strength of Sri Lankan spirit.
I teach my students the values of freedom, unity, and respect of nature. I am proud to be part of this peaceful and multicultural society. I stand for the protection of our land, and I carry the torch of freedom that was passed down by our ancestors. Sri Lanka is full of potential. As a future entrepreneur, I am proud to contribute to the growth of our country, fostering both innovation and tradition.
Freedom means peace. It means progress. It means the courage to honor our past and the vision to create brighter futures. On this Independence Day, let us remember the struggles, the battles, the sacrifices that have shaped Sri Lanka into the free and sovereign nation we are today. We honor the freedom fighters, the leaders, and the brave souls who stood firm against colonial powers, who fought for our independence in years of resistance, and who paved the way for the Sri Lanka that we are living today. Sri Lanka, a nation of strength, peace, and endless potential.